taking these. That will swing this. Everything organized. Gotta bust it loose. Got it. Got it.
Yeah, they're happy.
Taking these out. Got the line loose. Those two half-inch bolt heads. Get that loose. Get it loose. That one. Putting the line first before you put in the two half-inch bolts. The red one first, then the brown one. Make sure that's flushed up there. Yep, that loose, and then these two. I'll take off those half-inch two bolts. Now I gotta take off these. Is take that off, flip that under, and it comes off. The trick, right? Boom. Same thing with this one. If that one's off, boom. That little foot. Okay, there you go. Ready to put the other one in. It helps if you put these in, these little pistons in, both together. So it helps you put the pins in. 2 pins are in, 2 pins. This red one first, make sure it's back to, and this one. That's always got to go very first before you put on that spring. Hooked up to the parking brake. These a little bit different. Start taking off the springs, take off that, and we'll take it from there. This is the second one.
And broken in the back?
Yep. Gotta get a socket to take that off. 5/8. 5/8. Extra brake line. See that washer? That washer.
What's a washer?
Blow out the line. That one's new. It's lining up. This is going there. Gotta crimp those down. Those locks. Do that. 5/8, 3/8. Tight. And put in the. That's the lock. There goes your lock. That don't move around. Springs are in. This one goes in first, and push that back all the way so it has room for this one. And that one. So we use it. 3/8, 5/8. 5/8. I broke it loose. Don't forget that washer here. Take those off. Take out this pin. Get back that.